what we need. We need ground beef. We need some Worcester sauce, Dijon. We have eggs, some water, salt, ground pepper, and breadcrumbs. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is to crack the eggs. So normally you can use 2 large eggs, but since I don't have large eggs, I just use 3 smaller eggs. So okay, and then you will put like 4 tablespoons of water. Okay. And then you just basically beat this egg with the water. We'll add 1/2 cup. Four teaspoons of Dijon. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We need to have 1 teaspoon as well of Worcester sauce, and then we need 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Oh, just a disclaimer, I don't promote any of the product or utensils that I've been using here. I just use whatever I have in the kitchen or available in my household. So I have this onion chopper or vegetable chopper because I don't really like chopping onions. It makes me cry. So I bought that one. So I just basically slice the onion that way. I like my burgers. I like my burgers to have lots of onions. And yeah, so if you don't like onions, you can have the onion half the quantity of what I'm using here, which is 2 medium one here. Have to be very careful because the blade here is very sharp. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is basically add this onion to your meat. You just gonna mix everything. So the egg and the breadcrumbs will act as like a binding ingredients to your burger, so that when you cook it, it would not disintegrate. So yeah. All right. So now that's done. Okay, so I normally weigh my burgers so that they will be on the same size, and I have a weighing scale here. But then again, I'm not promoting any of this product. I just use, this is the stuff that I have in my kitchen already. And I have this burger maker or container that would actually keep the burger in place. So, alright. So basically you just have to get here. Or maybe we'll make it 180 this time. Okay, so 180. It's your preference how much thicker do you want your burger will be. But mine is normally, when I make it, I weigh 170 to 180, and it's pretty good size. My husband says that's the perfect size. So all you need to do is put another one of these on top, and then you just have to I always call it burger, but I think the right term for this one is hamburger patties. So this container right here would accommodate nicely like 6 burger patties in it. I usually make these burgers as well when we go camping. All you need to do if you want to prepare this one for future use is you can freeze them. I'll show you how I normally freeze my burgers in a little bit. There you go. This is already 6 patties right here. Okay. Then there's a cover. So now I'll teach you how I normally freeze my burgers. What you need to do is you'll find like a cardboard, and then you put like aluminum foil in it, and then you you have like wax paper, got it like square like this. Okay. I just normally does that. Okay. And what you need to do next is just to peel this out, and then what is this? Since I need this white thing, I normally remove this before I push the burger out. So, okay. So I'll do this. And I push. Right. Alright. Then I remove this one again. If you have lots of these, then you don't need to remove it every time. But then since I need them, I have to remove from here. It's easier if you were not going to use the white one, which is basically just drop every single one of them like this. Okay? So there you go. So you just have to put this in the freezer for like 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and then wait until it started to get hard, and then you can put it in the Ziploc. Okay, so we're gonna make the rest of these. So there is an extra 100 grams. So it's like half of a burger. So I'm just gonna put this in the freezer that way. This it's a good burger. And I'm gonna freeze this just that way. So that's all. It makes 10 burgers, that one. So since we're gonna be using this tomorrow, I don't need to freeze this. I'll just put it in the fridge, and it's gonna be ready for tomorrow. So there you go. There's the 6 burger patties, and 4 are in the freezer. And I have extra one. I'm gonna